Just a little bit, not too much. Don't try to. I don't want to get no. You just go with the flow. Just exactly this way. The more you wait, the better. Yeah. Let's go. We just talk about weight. What? Wait for what? That's what we spoke about. Wait for what? She's finishing. Come on, let's go. Yeah. You're gonna wait, you're gonna wait, you're gonna wait, yeah. How was it?
Yeah, I think it was better. Sometimes there were moments where I kind of started thinking about something else. And then I lost it.
Okay.
And then I lost it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's like a really interesting thing to, because the moment I started going somewhere else
you get on and off. I just hold you when you get off. That last part, boy. That last part, yeah. When you on this side, you move better, yeah.
Oh yeah, no, that's for sure. I have trouble with the right.
Yeah. Huh?
I have trouble with this side.
Okay.
Non, je trouve pas que quand je mets comme ça, c'est mieux.
But that,
Je sais pas. Moi, j'ai comme l'impression que c'est de l'autre côté.
but that's because of medical or that's medical or because you just have trouble with that one?
Sorry?
That's medical or because you have trouble with that side?
With the hip? I think I'm less flexible on that side, yeah.
Okay.
Less flexible.